In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add items to cart on Shein. First, pick up your phone and open the Shein app. If you haven't used it in a while, give it a second to load completely so all images and buttons appear correctly. A stable internet connection helps the app respond quickly, especially when browsing photos and reviews. Once the app is open, you're ready to start. You'll land on the home screen. This is your central hub where you'll see featured collections, trending categories, and personalized suggestions. Along the bottom, you'll find the main navigation, and at the top, you should see the search bar. If you've wandered to another section, simply return to home so you can explore broadly from there. Think of this screen as the storefront window where Shein showcases what's new and popular. Next, find a product you're interested in. You can scroll through the home feed to discover items, tap into a category like tops or dresses, or use the search bar to type in exactly what you want, such as black hoodie or linen pants. Use filters to narrow by size, color, price, or rating if you have something specific in mind. Skimming reviews and checking overall ratings can help you gauge quality and fit before you even open the product page. Take your time here until you spot something you like. When you see a product that catches your eye, tap it to open the product page. This is where you'll get all the details: photos, size guide, fabric information, customer images, and reviews. Scroll through the pictures to see the item from different angles and in different lighting. Check the size guide and compare measurements if you're unsure about fit. If the product comes in multiple colors or patterns, select the one you prefer. Choose your size and adjust the quantity if you need more than one. If an option is required, you'll need to select it before you can continue. Now tap the Add to Cart button. If anything is missing, like size or color, the app will prompt you to make a selection first. After you add the item, look for a confirmation on the screen and a small number appearing on the cart icon, showing your item count. That's your cue that the product has been saved in your cart. You can repeat this process to add more items, browsing and adding as you go. And that's it. Open the Shein app, start from home, find a product, open it, and tap Add to Cart. Pause the video and try it now if you want, and then come back when you're ready for the next step in your shopping journey.